talk about the forecast, I mean, I want the weekend to continue on with the low humidity, but Marcus just keeps telling me to just
let it go.
Stop. Right.
Let it go.
Right.
I know. I mean, last week it was so nice, and then also this past weekend too. Yeah, we got to let it go because summer, it's returning. I mean, today we did see those high temperatures into those upper 80s for much of the area. We did reach a high of 88 degrees today in D.C. And yesterday we reached a high of 87 degrees. So as of yesterday, that would have been the hottest day so far this month. But today took that top spot and will likely top it as we look ahead towards tomorrow, as we'll see those 90s returning across much of the region. But here's a view of those high temperatures today. There were a couple of spots that did reach 90. We saw that in Frederick. Also those low to mid 90s down towards Luray, Cumberland as well. Now we were a couple of degrees shy of it today in D.C. We were just 1 degree shy of the seasonable high this time of the year, which is 89 degrees. So we'll be above that as we get towards the rest of this week, though, as those 90s will be sticking around. The summer-like pattern sticking around, and also some thunderstorm chances. But first, let's talk about satellite and radar out there right now. Not tracking any thunderstorm activity across our area. High pressure off towards our east. That's keeping us dry and quiet, keeping that system down towards our south and keeping that system off towards the north and west. However, that will change as that high pressure exits farther away from us, and we'll see that disturbance off towards our north and west, out towards the Great Lakes region, pushing into our area later this week. The temperatures out there right now, we are only into those 70s, mid to upper 70s for much of the region. Very warm at this point of the night, and overnight tonight won't be quite as cool as the last couple of nights. It was quite nice out there, especially to have those windows open over the weekend. Yeah, we won't be seeing that overnight tonight. Still quite humid out there with those dew points upper 60s to low 70s. Overnight lows tonight, upper 60s to low 70s across the map. So overnight tonight, not quite as cool as what we had the last couple of nights. And we'll see some clouds building in overnight tonight, keeping those temperatures a bit more on the warmer side. Can't rule out that chance for a couple areas with some patchy dense fog for your Tuesday morning commute, so watch out for that. By noon, we see those temperatures hitting right around 90 for much of the region. A couple of those spot thunderstorms bubbling up too. So again, just stay weather aware for any of those thunderstorms that could bubble up. Those will be very hit or miss. Now, if you miss out on any of those thunderstorms out there tomorrow, we will see a bit more of a better chance out there for Wednesday as that frontal boundary will be approaching. So this is a view of 2 p.m. Wednesday. Some of those clusters of thunderstorms could contain some heavier downpours, so watch out for that too. So again, that's Wednesday afternoon as that front will be approaching. This front stalls just south of us as we look ahead towards Thursday. So Thursday, with that stalled front close by, still some isolated thunderstorms around into the afternoon. So very summer-like pattern. We're talking about heat, humidity, and thunderstorm chances. So watch out for that Thursday. Friday should be drier as that high pressure just off towards our north and east keeps us relatively quiet out there. But we have those 90s through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday as well. Also keeping a close eye on the tropics. This is the latest update from the National Hurricane Center, 11 p.m. update. And now the latest is that it will become a hurricane. It is expected to become a hurricane as early as Wednesday night, and then still looking like it could become a Category 3 major hurricane as it passes just north of those Leeward Islands. So we'll continue to monitor the latest with Tropical Storm Erin, so stay tuned. But here's a view of the rest of that 7-day outlook. We're looking at those 90s sticking around through the weekend and to start off that next work week.